What are digital signage displays? What does digital signage do? And what are the benefits of digital signage? Let me explain. Digital signage is a technology that allows you to display anything you want on one or multiple screens. And Yodeck is a digital signage software where you can centrally and remotely manage all of these screens, no matter where they are located. You can show a huge variety of content consistently, way beyond simple images and videos with minimal playback interruptions. So why use a cloud-based software instead of a DIY solution? The only benefit to a DIY solution is the zero software costs. And the disadvantages are many. Whenever you need to change the digital signage content, you have to do this manually, on location. You can't remotely turn your screens off and on like you can with Yodeck. And if there's an error, you won't realise until you physically go to see that screen. With Yodeck Digital Signage, you will have none of these issues. You can upload, schedule, and display all of your content for all of your screens from one place. With Yodeck, you can display pretty much anything on your screens. And we supply free apps and layout templates for all of our users. You can manage as many screens as you want from one place, anytime, anywhere. So whatever industry you're in, Yodeck's got you covered. From restaurant menu boards, internal communications in your workplace, to storefront window signage, you can do anything with your screens. Bring your content to life with the help of Yodeck. Sign up today and you'll be displaying your own content in no time.